Hey guys, Ron here. Just wanted to show you a quick situation. I grabbed a 1050 4 gig card from a friend of mine, and one of the fans was stuck. The on this one it's the left side. It would be the one closer to the I/O port. So what I did is took it apart, and you can actually see that these little modular fans are kind of sealed. With this one, you can see it's bound up. See? And this was the one that was working. It's not, technically it's not bound up. So what I did was I took them out and I ran it for a while. It was running at about 70 degrees centigrade. And so now I got it running, and it's running at 49 centigrade. Under a full load because it's mining. And what I was able to do was to take some fans off a aftermarket fans off a Zalman and mount it on there. And it's working pretty well. And this thing is a pain though, you know. I had to remove the screws from the I/O shield. It's very small ones from the fan itself, because the fan is mounted here. So I'll probably leave the plastic shroud off. But it's working really well. It's mining really well. And what's interesting is this 1050 is it probably weighs 70% less than any of these other cards. Like the card I replaced was this gigantic 4 gigabyte WinForce 977, GTX 977, which when it was new was about $600 bucks. But the thing you got to realize is today's technology. This little card that weighs like 70% less than this, with the newest style chips and architecture, is so much faster and more powerful than these older guys. This guy's only 3 years old, but there's no comparison. Just unbelievable how good these are. And so it crushes Cinebench. It's pretty amazing. Alright, just wanted to give you this quick update. You know, you get something like this, you gotta, you know, you fix it, you make it work. You don't you know, whine and complain, and you figure out how to make it work, and you make it work. So eventually I'll get the fans from EVGA, or try to figure something out, put the shroud back. But technically I like the way this looks even better. I think it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so that was the update. We're running, that card's running almost $3 average, and this guy's running same thing, about 3 1/4. So I'm averaging a little over $8. But today I've been averaging between $9 and $11. And temperatures are staying good. Like on this card, check this out. On this, this is an R927. That guy's an R9270. That's what I'm running over here. Also, I don't know if you like this setup, but I got this this monitor under the big monitor, so I can double up. And so this guy's running 66 degrees centigrade with the cover on, and no additional fans. This guy was running really much hotter. This guy's using 2 8-pins. This is using 2 6-pins. And this guy uses no external power, takes it all off the bus. It's impressive. And you know, the graphics on it are amazing. Really impressive. So I like these low current ones. So this guy's running temperature about 66 centigrade with the cover on. And she's averaging, that guy's averaging $1.82 on the card and $1.66 on the CPU. So that gets us to about $3.50 on that one, and the 1050 is doing $1.67 and 78 on the CPU, which changes. It seems to average about $3.50 to $4. So, and then these other guys are just a cheap 750, really cheap card. It's doing 70 cents. CPU is doing 60. And this guy with a 1030 is doing 59, and onboard graphics integrated is doing 17 cents, which changes, and the CPU is doing 2. So it averages, you know, by the time you get up there, for $8 or so a day. Alright guys, so that's the update. Let me tell you, taking these cards apart is a pain in the neck. Here's a quick shot of the studio. I wanted to show you the ambient temperature in here. It's been keeping it pretty good. Check this out. Ambient temperature. Ambient temperature. Jeez, these machines give up a lot of heat, huh? That's crazy. Look at that. 4,379 degrees Fahrenheit. Not even centigrade. Oh my God. Alright guys. I don't know if you like it. What do you think of this monitor setup? I did it this way because it gives me more room on the desk, and I can, not get a crick in my neck looking at the big guy and do 2-3 things at once. Multi-processing around here. Alright guys, just a quick thing on the temperature.